Hey everybody, quick tip. Let's say you have an emotion that is bugging you, one that you need to change, one that maybe even stops you in your tracks for a lot of things. This could be an old one from maybe a trauma or something less severe, or it could be something in the moment, like walking up to your boss, or a certain someone you don't like in general walking up to you, and you feel that stirring. But you need to be polite and casual. You can't tell them what you really think, because that's not acceptable. There's a cool NLP trick you can do. Because when you have an emotion, when you have a feeling, it's moving if you didn't realize. It's moving in the body. Emotion, energy and motion is a way of thinking about it. And if you really pay attention to it, like in the moment, or you bring it up yourself by thinking about the situation that you want to change how you feel about, notice where the feeling is. For me, for the most time, it's in my chest, for the most part. And I feel it, and I determine if it's going clockwise or counterclockwise. First thing I do. And you'll be able to do this, just try it yourself. It's the craziest thing. So most of the time it's turning clockwise. Okay? And then I'll determine the color. What color is it? Well, most of the time if it's a negative emotion, for me it's going to be black or, a dark color or something like that. So what you do, this is a cool NLP trick, is you either physically with your arms or mentally, just imagine it, see the vortex spinning, pull it out of yourself, and see it spinning in front of you. Now, determine a color that coincides with the emotion you want. Like for some reason in this moment, maybe green would make you feel better, and that's going to come up naturally for you. You ask yourself, what color would be best for me? Your subconscious will tell you. I promise you. Just listen for the answer. So as it's swirling, ask the question, okay, green. So what you do is you reverse the rotation, either in your mind or with your finger. I do it sometimes with my finger. I'll pull it out. I'll see it going. Oh, okay, green. Then I'll start going backwards with it and imagine it's a green color. And I'll do it till it's vivid enough until I feel like I'm done with it. Then I'll take it and put it back into myself and I'll feel. And 95% of the time, the emotion has either changed or softened, and I can go about my day. And this is sometimes permanent or not. It depends on what you're doing it for and why. Give it a shot. Just give it a shot, y'all. Next time you're having emotions that you rather not have or they do not help the situation, feel it. Where is it? What color is it? What way is it going? Pull it out. Change the color to something you prefer, like blue, maybe green, whatever makes you feel better in the moment. Change the direction, slap it back into yourself, and see how you feel. Give it a shot. It will blow your mind.